Alright, we're going to take a look at how to make a complex line type using Express tools and then saving that line type in the Autocad list in your Autocad installation. So to start with, I want to go to insert a reference line, turn ortho 1, and I'll turn my grid snap on, and I'll just draw that line's there for reference purposes. Now we'll go to annotate, and I'll go to single line text and type J for justify and select TC, and I'll just click on the end point of that line there, and I want a text height of 2.5, 2.54 in fact, rotation 0, and I'm going to make a I'm going to make a line type called hedge. So assuming that we want to show a hedge, and yes, I'll type hedge in uppercase, click in the background and enter, and I'll just zoom into here a little and go back to home, and I'll change my snap settings to, I don't know, 0.2 to 2.5. Perhaps half of that. Sorry about that. Snap settings 1.25. Or at half the height of the text, and turn off the, start about there and draw this about 12.5, no, a bit more, 15, and enter. Now I'll mirror this line here, the mirror tool. Select the mirror tool, click on that line there as the object, right click, specify the first point on the mirror line, so at the end point of that line, just move the cursor vertically downwards. I've got ortho on, so we'll get a perfect mirror. No for erase source objects, and then just delete that reference line. Now we shall go to Express tools, which are there, and scroll down tools and select make line type, and save somewhere to save this line type, just temporarily this is. So I'll save it in my Autocad files, and I'll call it hedge. Now enter the line type name, so I'll call it hedge. Enter line type description. I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4 hyphens, type hedge, another 4 hyphens, type hedge, 4 hyphens, type hedge, and 4 hyphens, no, not put the hyphen, yes, 4 hyphens, and enter. Specify starting point, just there, that endpoint, that endpoint there, select object, so drag a window across the whole lot and enter. And I'll just select that and delete it and go to the Home tab, and we can see the hedge line there, so we'll give it a try. So that looks okay. So if we compare it to an already inbuilt line type, I'll load, say, gas. And change that to gas there, just as a comparison, see how it compares scale wise. Not bad. I've got a longer line section here. We could edit that later if we wanted to. So what I want to do now is actually go to my documents and my Autocad files. And there it is there, hedge.lin, and there is the line type. Now, as I say, I could reduce the size of line section there if I wanted to, just edit that 15 there, make it a bit smaller, and that's all we need to do. I'll try changing it now. I'll take it down to 12, and I'll just save that. I'm not going to test that change immediately. I'm going to select that. I'm going to do a Control-C to copy it, and then I'm going to right-click in the drawing window, select Options, Files, expand the top folder there, click on the second one and pause and click a second time so the text is selected. Do a Control-C and just open the File Explorer, click in the address bar, do a Control-V and that, and then just find Autocad ISO. There it is. Or if you're an imperial user and you're using feet and inches, you want Autocad line .lin, not Autocad ISO.lin. Of course, your sizes will be different then. Instead of having a text height of 2.5, you'll have text height of 1 and so on. Right, now I need to just go back to this because this is no longer in the clipboard because I copied the path before, so I need to copy this again. Control-C and go right down to the bottom where user-defined line types are. You can see I've already got quite a few there. So just click at the very end of that list, don't leave any gaps, and do a Control-V, and we'll do save. I'll just minimize that in case we want to alter any settings, and just cancel that. And now if we go to our line types and click on Other and click on Load, and when we scroll down you should see Hedge appears in that list now, and there it is. So I'll select that, reload line type hedge, yes, okay, and so I'll just select hedge and I'll draw it in there. Now I have reduced that line length a little bit, as you can see, still not as short as the gas one, but you know, you can edit it again, and you know, if you want to edit that again, just go back into here and make that 12 even smaller. We'll take it down to say 9 or 8, even 8, and File, Save, just minimize it and reload. Together, load, and select hedge again. Okay, reload line type hedge, click OK, and just type regen. And there you can see the reduced length of line, still longer than what the gas one, the line segment in gas is, but you know, you can keep going until you get it as you want it. And that is a pretty easy way of making a complex line type. So that's it.